record in our interactive notebooks and your math journals, we're going to take some notes. We're going to add adding and subtracting decimals. And so in your table of contents in the front of your notebook, record 5.3a, that's your TEK or standard, adding and subtracting decimals, and then page 7. Okay, and you'll want to turn when you turn to a clean page, turn your notebook sideways. See how the holes are up top, and on the red line there, you'll put the title Adding and Subtracting Decimals. Okay, so this is a 5-step process. Step 1, line up decimals vertically, and I have an example here. Step 2, add the missing zeros. You don't always get numbers to add and subtract that have the same amount of digits, so make sure you fill in your missing zeros. Step 3, begin at the lowest place value, which over here would be the thousandths, so you'll start on this side. Step number 4 is bring down the decimal. So once you've finished adding or subtracting each one of these columns and you get to the decimal, you're going to bring that down into your answer. Step 5, check your answer. Is it reasonable? The easiest way to check to see if your answer is reasonable is by rounding, and we just learned how to round. So I gave another example here. I wrote down an example of how I rounded to the 7 and the 4, and I broke that down again. So make sure you are writing very neat in your journals and you get all of this information. I will be taking a grade on your notebook.